In this tutorial, we'll cover all there is to know about our microchips, including how to add them, edit them, purchase them, and our microchip revenue share program benefits. You can keep track of all of your microchips in the Microchip section, Microchips Registry. You'll see two tabs, one for non-registered chips and one for registered chips. To search for an existing chip, simply type the chip number in the search bar. You can also sort your search by any of these fields and further filter your search by pet name, status, purchase start, and end date. To add a chip, click on Add New Microchip and proceed with entering the chip number. You can select a pet in your account from the drop-down list, or leave this field blank if there isn't one assigned yet. Using the Manage drop-down button, you can edit the chip at any time, if you need to update the chip number or the pet, for instance. You can also register the chip and will be asked to enter payment information. Registration for non-registered chips is a one-time fee of $12.99 for the life of the pet. Rest assured there are no annual fees to the adopter to maintain the chip, and whenever a pet is returned and adopted out again, re-registration is not needed. Did you know about our microchip program perks? Every time you or your adopters register a chip, you earn a free chip and $2 cash back. In addition, you upgrade to the Gold Plan for free once you complete 20 chip registrations. This applies to any chip from any manufacturer. To help reduce the cost incurred, some organizations opt to fold the registration fee into the adoption fee, and by doing so, the chips will essentially pay for themselves. And here's a neat shortcut. You can register multiple chips at a time by checking off the box to the left of the microchips, and with the Bulk Actions button, click Register. This will provide you with the total for the chip count and save you time if you need to register several chips at once. Once your chips are registered, they'll move over to the Registered Chips tab. From here, you can also look up a chip using the search bar, and you can edit or view the chip information by clicking on Manage, Update Information. From here, you can update the pet assigned to the chip or manually enter their information, which is useful for clinic registry pets that are not in the organization. You can also edit the primary contact, secondary contact, and view the microchip information. Rest assured, all registered chips are traceable in the AAHA Universal Microchip Lookup. For instance, if we do a search for this chip, you'll see that it's enrolled with PetStablished on this date. We also provide a public search on our website, petstablished.com, where you can find the adopter's contact information on the chip. And by the way, your organization, also known as the AWO, will always be on the chip. We believe it's essential that your organization is listed as a backup, just in case the primary and secondary contacts cannot be reached, and this information cannot be edited or removed at any time. You can keep track of how many registrations you've completed in the Microchips by Microchip section. Here you'll see how many chips you've earned from your registrations, and once you reach 20 out of 20, a free pack of chips will be sent your way. This is also where you can purchase microchips. We offer both non-registered chips at $5.99 each and pre-registered chips at $10.99 each. Chips are sold in bundles of 20, and if you're interested in the pre-registered type, please make sure to check off this box during checkout to mark them off as pre-registered. Otherwise, they come non-registered by default. Just an FYI, your purchase of pre-registered chips automatically upgrades you to the Gold Plan for free. Another added benefit of pre-registered chips is that whenever you process an adoption, the adopter is automatically transferred as the primary contact on the chip. Once again, your organization or the AWO is always on the chip. As a side note, PetStablished chips are mini chips measuring 1.25 by 7 millimeters and are currently one of the smallest ISO-compliant chips on the market. They're easy to insert and are great for smaller animals too. They're also FDXB readable by universal scanners. And this concludes our tutorial, but you can log in to view more tutorials in the Tutorials and FAQ section of your account, or schedule an online walkthrough with one of our friendly team members. And don't forget to register your chips to earn free chips and cash back. Thanks for joining us and for all that you do.